Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. As you can see, I already kind of got started here. Today I'm going to attempt to do a traditional pond mani. It's an old school mani. I didn't know what the name was previously. Then I saw Just Nailed It. I will link her up here, the video. Do one. So I knew there was a term for it. And then Girly Nail 66 had a Facebook challenge and she did it with regular polish. Also, I'll link the video up here. So I'm going to try to do it like Just Nailed It did with regular polish, but in more colors that I would want to wear today. These are Lilly Cute Glazed Glass Gel Polish, number 1 and number 11. But I found out when I was putting them on this hand, they were a little too opaque for me, even though I'd already mixed in a little bit of base coat. So that's what I did. And these bottles, you know, they're easy to tip because, well, they're top heavy. So I put a little bit of tack on the bottom, but I won't be using the bottles. I've already mixed up some, and this cures so fast, so I'm having to be very careful with my lights. I mixed some, about 50% with my Modelones base gel, foundation gel, base gel. I mixed about 50%, just the color I like, with a toothpick. So I have to keep those way, way far away from my lamp. And I'm going to get out their brushes. See, it's kind of thick and it cures really, really fast. And my lights have never cured anything before. So I'm gonna get the bottles out of the way. Let me show you the first coat. I'm just gonna go in, try to get it all down here. I like to use plastic lids and whatnot. These are actually from a slime kit, just because I can cure the gel polish and pop it right off. I tried it on a palette earlier. I've got to figure out how to get it off. So this is me mixing it with base coat, quite a bit of base coat, because the whole idea is to have, I thought it was going to be really, really dark. I may have mixed too much. I don't know yet. There's many, many layers to this design. So purple, and I'm gonna do pink. I'm guessing it's a lot of layers on this manicure, so I'd guess you wouldn't have to have it perfectly blended in. I'm gonna give these a cure in the lamp. Okay, now the pond part comes in when you get out some white polish. I'm using gel, Modelones, Edelweiss. You could use anything that strikes your fancy. That's just what I had right here. And I'm getting out my old dotting tool. I'm not sure what size I want. So I've got one with a teeny tiny head and one with a small head. And the concept is to make little dots, scatter them around, cure it, and then do more layers of color each time. So each of the dots will look like which they are, they're like encapsulated into the color. So that's what I was just thinking it was called before. Some kind of encapsulated layer, dot cure. I didn't know it had a name. So thank you, Just Nailed It and Girly Nail 66 for bringing it to my attention that it actually had a name. I've seen it done with a stamper head before. But I believe the lady did stars, I'm not sure now. It's been years ago. I mean, I didn't know. I'm gonna skip my thumb while we're on film and I'll do it later. So I'm gonna give this a cure. Okay, it's all cured. I'm gonna go in with my purple. I like the little lip because, well, it keeps everything nice and handy inside of the bowl. Let's see if I mix this up too much. If I did, it's a several layer manicure. If I did, I can always darken it back up. Going back in with the pink. You want to cure it between each layer. The jellies don't take very long at all to cure. I am doing 30 seconds in my lamp. That's just my standard cure. Good thing with the layered manicure, if you missed getting it close enough, you can do it again. Okay, give this a cure. There's gonna be a lot of curing, a lot of layers. And then I'm told that you want to not overlap the dots yet, anyways. But whatever you want to do, I mean, really, it's up to you. I don't want to do a whole lot of layers, so I'm putting more dots on than most people do. It's kind of like a layered dot cure. That's, I don't know. That was so cute. And yes, it can be done with regular or gel. It really doesn't matter. If you don't have a jelly polish, you can take any polish that is close and mix it up. Usually I did top coat, but this time I did base gel because I have a lot of base gels that I don't use. And with gels, at least you can wipe off the dot if you don't like it or add to it. That's not quite big enough. Add to it, let gravity take effect. I'm going to give this another cure, full cure on these. Okay, that's cured. So you can see the effect. It's darker and lighter. I'll probably fast forward some parts of the video for you. Kind of an optical illusion when you're painting your nails because you think you don't have it covered, but there's different layers. So give this a Okay, this will be my last layer of color, and I'm thinking about doing some glitter, taking an old school manicure and turning it into a Nails of Interest manicure. I probably shouldn't have colored my I was going to do purple on pink. Yeah. Probably shouldn't have thinned it out quite so much. I don't want my nails super thick. I keep trying to color in the dots. Oh my. It is hard not to color in your dots. I'm trying to make them all the same color. That's not the point of it. So I'm still doing it. Give these a cure, and then I'm going to add some glitter because I have to have some glitter. Okay, for my glitter, I'm going to get out Modelones Shiny Snowflake. This is that gorgeous, 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 I don't know how to describe it. It's got chunkies and light or scattered hollow in it. It's just so pretty. I want to put this on pretty thin because I already have a few layers, but they're all thin layers. Let's do it this way so I can see. I'm still loving their brush heads. They fit my cute. Okay, let me get this all. Okay, this is all cured. I think it's a nice take on an old school manicure. I really love it. Be sure to check out the other two ladies and check out some of my other videos. There's always suggested videos at the top of the screen, at the end of the video. I thank you everyone for being here with me today. Oh, I forgot. I was using Lilly Cute 1 in 11, their jelly polish. I used their top coat at the end. I mixed Modelones, their base gel in it. I used Edelweiss from Modelones for my dots. And I used Shiny Snowflake to make it a little bit more up to date. Manicure, add some Holo in there. So thank you all for being here with me today while I tried a new manicure to me. I really do appreciate, I really do appreciate every minute that you watch of my videos. I really do. I appreciate all the thumbs up, the comments. I do. I'm touched by you guys. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'll clean these up, finish my other nails, clean them all up, and put some reveal pictures up there. Thank you for being here with me today. Everyone, really, I do thank you. Check out some of the newer nail channels out there. I'm going to try to link some down below, some up above, here and there. Check them out, give them some encouragement as well. Thank you everyone. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.